What's up, beautiful entrepreneurs? Are your sale conversions low on your website? Do you have a lack of personality and storytelling in your descriptions and just through your website in general? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use AI to really help to convert sales, to make us more money, and to have more storytelling, and to really get people to be more drawn into our website. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the video. Before we get started, I have 2 polls in my community post that I would love for you to vote on. This will really help me to figure out what kind of content to come out with next and what it is that you guys really want to see more of. I really love making this content for you, and I just want to make sure I'm coming out with the stuff that you like and want to see. So please vote after this video. I'd love to get to at least 500 votes on each post. Thank you so much for your support, and let's get into the video. Okay, first let's get into what Chat GPT is. Chat GPT, if you were to ask it, is going to be a generative chat bot that is going to be able to take whatever you insert into it and make it into a human-like response. That way that you can understand things a little bit more simply and to put things in whatever verbiage that it is that you are looking for. ChatGPT is really awesome. I actually saw a recent interview with Erykah Badu where the interviewer was asking her if she was familiar with AI, and he actually put into ChatGPT, who is Erykah Badu, and it went into this full synopsis of who she is, everything that she's done for the culture, for Black culture, everything she's done for music, and she was extremely impressed and thought that it was really accurate to the person that she is today. Now, for a little bit of a caveat, ChatGPT has all the knowledge that's on the internet up to September 2021. And we're in 2023, so there's so much information that is still missing from their source, but they have so much information to work with that you can really learn anything that it is that you want to that could be on the internet, and it will give a brief synopsis of everything that you could possibly be looking up. So it'll still be really helpful, making it a really great source to create any content that you are looking for. Using ChatGPT is going to be really easy. All you have to do is log in when you get onto the site initially. You can create it with your own personal email, or you can just connect it to your Google or Apple ID and you'll be able to log in immediately. I always like to use the same login because anything that you've ever talked with ChatGPT about is going to remember, and it'll have a history of it, so you can look at your whole entire conversation at a later time, or you can go back to a later conversation that you had and just start talking to them about the same topic, and it will remember everything. Let's get into how we can use ChatGPT for our own websites. Now, I have 3 major ways that it's going to be really helpful. The third is going to be your blogs. Now, I know a lot of people don't think that they need to have a blog when it comes to the website, and they don't really see much importance to blogging. But if someone is looking up information about something that you sell, or if they're looking up information about something that has to do with skincare, use that as a way to get more people onto your website. Now, when you're using this with ChatGPT, what's really great is that you can go in, and I'm going to show you how we use this as well. Once you log into ChatGPT, we can ask it, give me 5 blog topics for my skincare business website. And right away, it gives us 5 options. So we have top 10 ingredients to look for in effective skincare products, the benefit of natural and organic skincare for healthy skin, how to build a skincare routine that works for my skincare type. There's so many different topics that I can come up with as well, but since you're just asking for 5, these are the 5 that came up for me. So say I want to create a blog about the top 10 ingredients to look for in effective skincare products. Now, I can say me a blog on topic number 1. Now it's going to write me a full blog, and as you can see, it's giving me an introduction, it's giving me a list of products, it's going to give me a conclusion and everything. And now I have a full blog that I can just copy and paste onto my website and use this as a way to get more people to come onto my website, because you may have people that are looking for that are looking for these ingredients to have effective skincare products. What's so great about this as well is that you can keep having a conversation with Chat GPT with all of the topics that it's giving you and ask it to create a blog post for every single topic, and it will go ahead and do all of that for you, and then you can have 5 blog posts that are ready to be posted onto your website, and it's less work that you had to do. Now for number 2, ChatGPT can help you to create your product descriptions. Now I know this is something that I've had a hard time with when it comes to making your product descriptions, making it more inviting and more friendly to people, adding some storytelling into that as well to really get people to be more intrigued into your products to begin with, because you really want to focus on certain keywords. You want to focus on making sure that you are using phrases that people are going to be more intrigued by and that people are actually searching for when it comes to the particular products that you are creating. So let's say that we want to ask ChatGPT to help us create a product description for vanilla buttercream body butter. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna ask ChatGPT, can you write a product description for my vanilla buttercream body butter? Don't just ask it that simply. So then you can also say, make this really fun and inviting for people to want to buy this product. We've asked ChatGPT to do this. Now it has created a full-on description. Now let's check out what we got. Introducing our delectable vanilla buttercream body butter, the ultimate treat for your skin. Indulge yourself in a creamy concoction that will leave you feeling irresistibly soft, smooth, and smelling absolutely heavenly. Crafted with love and care, our body butter is a delightful blend of a rich vanilla and luscious body cream, creating a luxurious fragrance that will transport you into a world of sweet indulgence. Imagine a scent of freshly baked vanilla cupcakes swirling around you as if a bakery paradise has come to life. But it's not just about the delightful aroma. Our vanilla buttercream body butter is a powerhouse of moisturizing magic, enriched with nourishing shea butter, cocoa butter, and essential oils. It's deeply hydrating your skin, banishing dryness and leaving behind a velvety soft touch. This is a really good description. I would want to buy this vanilla buttercream body butter based off of this description alone. I would still add in a little bit more information about the ingredients that are inside of this body butter, but this is a really great starting point. All right, now for number 1. Now this is the really important part when it comes to your website. You want to make sure that your SEO is intact when it comes to your website, because your keywords are extremely important, and you want to make sure that whatever people are searching for in Google or whatever search engine, that your website is going to come up first or on that first page, so that people will want to purchase your products, and this will bring more people onto your website. When it comes to your SEO, I know that I really struggled with this part because I didn't know how to create the correct verbiage for people to want to purchase my products. So when it comes to your SEO, in the back part of your website setup, you are going to see where it's going to ask you to set up your SEO for like particular pages on your website. So let's say that we are going to focus on the body butter page of the website for your products. In ChatGPT, I went in and asked, write an SEO for my body butter products page. Make this intriguing so my website comes up on Google. Now it gave me a few different options, because basically when you go in to do your SEO, you want to make sure that it comes up on that first page. You want to make sure that you have these particular keywords so that people are going to be more intrigued to want to purchase from you. So the first example that I gave, it says, experience the luxurious delight of our exquisite body butter collection. Unleash the radiant glow of your skin today. So you want to make sure that the keywords that are coming up in those couple of sentences to grab people, right? And to have those keywords so that Google will make sure that that page comes up. This will get more people not only on your website, but also bring more conversion, because it's actually highlighting things that they are personally looking for. Now, ChatGPT is great. It really helps to give you that foundation for your website to really figure out how to get people more intrigued with your products. If you're looking to have a little bit more help with creating your product descriptions, watch this video here where I go more into depth on product descriptions and how to really add in more elements to your product descriptions overall. And I'll catch you in the next one.